Hi, it's Jen with Cherry True Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make this crystal bar necklace. So for this one right here, I used these beautiful 2x2 crystal rondelles. These are color number C241, and they're really pretty. They're gray with the AB finish on them. And we're using a stainless steel pre-done necklace. This is SS01. These are 2mm size chain, stainless steel. And I love using these because they are pre-made necklaces, and then you can just add whatever you want. You can add a pendant or cut them and add whatever you want in the middle. So it saves a little bit of time. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is find the center of this and cut it. So the way that I like to do that is I'm going to take my wire. I'm using 26 gauge stainless steel wire, and I'm going to string this wire through the two rings at the bottom. And then that way I can pull it down and find where the center is. And when I find where the center is, I just want to snip that. And I just want to double check and make sure that it is indeed the center. Yes. Okay, so for this gold one, I'm going to use this really pretty green. It's color C256. I think it's really pretty, but we have tons of colors that you can choose from. These are all 2x2s. We have even more that I didn't pull. We have a 2x3 and a 3x4 if you like them a little bit larger. For this one, I was going for super tiny, so I used the smallest, the 2mm. So we're gonna put a loop on one side to attach the bar. So I'm gonna go down a little bit on my wire, and I'm gonna push it away from me at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm gonna put my pliers at the angle I've created, and I'm gonna wrap that around, making a little loop. And I wanna use the tip of my wires and try and make that loop as small as I can, since everything else that I'm using is super tiny. So once I have that loop, I'm going to string on my chain, and then I'm going to hold that little loop, and I'm going to coil this back around. And then once it's coiled around 2 or 3 times, then I'm just going to nip off the end. Then I'm going to string on my beads. For the other one, I strung on 11 beads, and I think that's nice. So I think I'll probably do the same thing. And then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to put them as close to the bead as I can. And I'm going to bend that wire, creating a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to put my pliers at the top of that angle, and I'm going to bend it around. Again, using the tip of my pliers so I can make that loop just as small as I possibly can. And then I'm going to put the wire on. And then I'm going to hold it at the loop. I'm going to coil this back around. I'm going to take my cutters and cut off the extra wire. And that's it. It's super simple. And you can do them in different lengths. You can cut the chain and make it shorter. You can do it in different colors. There are so many options. You can use pearls instead of crystals or gemstones. So use your imagination and make something that's perfect just for you. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.